Hello kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. So kids, let us continue our class about number names from 80 to 90. So let us start our class. 81 EIGHTYONE 81. 82 EIGHTYTWO 82. 83 EIGHTYTHREE 83. 84 EIGHTYFOUR 84. 85 EIGHTYFIVE 85. 86 EIGHTYSIX 86. 87 EIGHTYSEVEN 87. 88 EIGHTYEIGHT 88. 89 EIGHTYNINE and 90 NINETY 90. So kids, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.